Hey everyone, I'm going to show you a few easy ways you're able to remove any kind of sticker or decal on your car. You don't need tools from an auto shop like a heat gun or anything like that. There's a couple DIY things you can try out, and a lot of them work really well. So here you can see I have this sticker I want to remove, but if I try to peel it with my fingernail, it's going to be way too difficult. One of the best things you could try first is using some kind of hair dryer, putting it on a heat setting, and then heating up the whole area like that. You don't want to heat the paint too much though, because the paint can actually peel and chip off, but this is one of the best ways to do it. Another easy way to do it is by using some kind of soapy water. You have to be careful with what kind of soap you use on your car, because some can actually remove the paint as well. You also have to make sure you have the proper type of rag, because if it's too rigid, it could definitely scratch your paint. Some kind of microfiber cloth is definitely the best route to go. Just not anything like a paper towel, not a dish sponge, or some rough shop rag. So if you do have some kind of auto body type stuff for this is probably one of the best routes to go. But for this video, I'm going to focus on things that everybody's going to have in their house. If neither of those options work out, you could always try some kind of rubbing alcohol as well. Same thing though, you don't want to apply too much of this. You want to be very careful because it can remove some of this paint. But these methods will really help any kind of sticker, decal, or just the sticky part getting removed off your car. So first, let's try the hair dryer. So you can see it's turning hot. It's getting pretty hot, so now I'm going to apply it. So you want to do that for about 30 to 60 seconds. And when you come back here, you could just use your fingernail and you can see it's coming off way easier now. So because I heated it up, it's going to make it super simple to just pry this all off by yourself. Make sure you go at a low angle, so you're going underneath the sticker. You're not actually trying to dig at it in any way. And don't use any kind of razor blade, because that could scratch the paint. So this is definitely one of the best DIY ways you can do this, because it works really, really well. So next is soapy water. So you just put in just a tiny bit. Make sure you get a lot of soap on it too. And then just rub the area. You don't want to press too hard because you don't want to ruin any part of your car, but this can really help soften up all the sticker. So same thing, you could just go at it like this and it should come off pretty easily. And if for whatever reason it isn't, you could always try a mix of both of these at the same time, heat it up with some water, and that can really help. So the water does cool it down, so it is a little bit counterintuitive, but the water does really help because it gets into the edges of the sticker, gets seeped underneath, and then the heat will really help pairing up with that water to remove the whole thing. And then lastly, like I mentioned, you can also use some rubbing alcohol, so just put it on your microfiber cloth just like that, and do the same thing you would with the water. But this works similar to water, it's gonna cool it down a little bit, but it's gonna get in between the sticker a bit easier than the water will. So I like to do that and then do the hair dryer just to make sure it's gonna come off really easily. When you're finished doing that, there might be some residue from the sticker on here. So all you have to do is the same method as before, just use some soap and water and this should come off pretty quick. If it doesn't, you can always try the rubbing alcohol side as well. Pair that up with your fingernail and you'll be able to safely remove all these little parts without damaging your car. Sometimes you get some sticker that's way too difficult to get rid of all the sticky residue. Here you can see this is just so much residue all along here. It's been on this car for a long time now. But what you can do is use WD-40 on it, and this works surprisingly well. When you do this though, I would highly suggest you just spray on your microfiber towel just so you don't damage your car or put too much on your car. And then just start wiping it just like that. You can even pair this up with a hair dryer, some soapy water, or the rubbing alcohol. And all these different things can really help do it. But you can see, just after a few times of doing this, it's already removed most of it. So WD-40, just like always, seems to do the trick. Alright, that's it for me. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to give it a like, and please subscribe to my channel to see more great guides just like this. I love helping people out, and it'd be great if you help me out by giving me a sub. Have a great day, everyone. Cheers.